Let's begin by adding a clip to the timeline and an audio clip. Start by right-clicking in the project panel and selecting New Item, Adjustment Layer. Drag the adjustment layer under the timeline above the video. Go over to the Effects panel and type Directional Blur into the search box. Drag the Directional Blur effect under your adjustment layer on the timeline. Make sure your adjustment layer selected and then go up to Effect Controls. Under Directional Blur, change the blur length to 30. Back down on the timeline, move the playhead to where you want your shake effect to start, probably when the bass hits. Reposition your adjustment layer so that it starts at the playhead. Move the playhead forward one frame and cut the adjustment at that position. Then keep doing that frame by frame until you've got the shake going for however long you want. You won't be needing the rest of the adjustment layer after your last cut, so just delete it. Now just select and delete every other frame starting with the second one, and that's all you have to do. When you play this back, you have a nice looking camera shake effect when the bass comes in. To quickly duplicate the effect, simply drag to select all your current adjustment clips. Then, while holding down the Alt key, drag them to create duplicates. And just position these to where the bass comes in again. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to hit subscribe button for more content.